Hey there, if you're a life coach, business coach, health coach, you will need to sell your services inside a sales call. By the end of this video, you will have my top tip on how to control the sales conversation for an easier close. Hi, I'm Michelle Terpstra, sales coach and sales expert. I've helped over 500 online entrepreneurs create and sell their offers online, and this channel is dedicated to providing some actionable tips, motivation, and inspiration to go out and do the same thing. So don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know every time I post a new video. Now, let's go ahead and jump into controlling the conversation. So a really big thing that I hear all the time, especially from high ticket coaches and also service providers delivering premium packages, is that it's really hard for them to control the conversation. And I want to talk about this a little bit. If you're selling a high ticket premium service, you are most likely selling it to a type A ambitious person. And when that happens, the person on the other line, that type A person, is going to want to control the conversation. It's natural. It's what happens. Trust me, I'm one of them. I do it all the time. So what do you do as, that coach? Or if you're the service provider, now, if you think about it, if you're selling a $10,000 package or maybe a, $3,000 a month retainer, who's buying that? Most likely a type A personality who's an ambitious professional or business owner, right? Now, this is an important thing to take into account because I'll tell you a little secret. Most type A personalities love it when someone else takes control and tells them what to do. Might seem counterintuitive, but I am here to tell you it is absolutely not. As a personality expert, this is fact, okay? So it puts you in a leadership position when you're on a sales call. And my number one tip, it is so simple but so powerful to control the call so that you can actually have a sales call and not a random conversation, is to set intentions pretty quickly in the call. So after the rapport building stage comes set intention. And when you set an intention, it looks like this, okay? Let's pretend that I'm on a call with, let's see, what should her name be? Let's call her Alicia, okay? So this, after we do rapport building, this is my transition with Alicia. Hey, Alicia, I'm super excited to be on this call, and I cannot wait to talk about how I can help you create and sell your next offer. So over the next 30 minutes, what we're going to do is dive into exactly what you need in your business so that I can identify if I can help you achieve that goal. Is there anything that you would like to prioritize during this call so that I can make sure to integrate it into our conversation? Done. That's all you need to do. And I'm going to tell you what that does. It shows you as the leader. You've already got a game plan. You've got your framework. You're ready to rock and roll, right? But then it also allows her a little piece of time to be like, okay, what do I want to prioritize too? So you feed to the type A personality at the same time controlling and being a leader. That in itself is going to increase your conversion rate like crazy. So in the comment section below, let me know if you've done this in the past. Are you setting intentions for sales calls or are you skipping that piece? I would love to know if you are ready to put this into action. And if you come back to this video after trying it, I would love to know, what does that look like for you? How did it work? And just a really beautiful, easy transition that I know will help you. Now, if you're listening to this and you're like, well, Michelle, that was fantastic. That's a great one tip, but what do you mean rapport? What are the stages? What happens after this? Well, listen, I am on a mission. I am on a mission to help millions of entrepreneurs and business owners master sales so that they have access to the same level of success that somebody who already knows how to sell. If you've been around me long enough, you know that I passionately believe that your relationship with sales and your level of skills around sales is the number one indicator if your business will be successful. So for just $47 right now, you can go grab my Discovery Call Success Pack, and it's going to teach you exactly how to implement a framework for your sales calls so that you can start closing 80% of the calls in 30 minutes or less. I make it super accessible at $47, so there's no barrier for you to go in and grow your business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.